Good morning, party people. It's your boy Lenny, as always. Welcome back to the channel. Today it is about 8:30 right now. I am about to go meet up with Thomas. I couldn't remember his name. Oh no, it is too early for me. That's how you know. Yeah, we are about to go link up with Thomas. He's about to sell his 280Z. You guys have seen it in the channel a couple times. But he doesn't drive it very often. He usually drives the STI. We usually go on hikes and stuff in the STI, and he only brings it out during the summer. And as you can see, it's very nice out. So I wonder why he's selling it now. Of all times, he's selling it right when he's about to be able to take it out and have nice long cruises and stuff. But it is okay. We have to make moves. So yeah, I'll catch you guys over there. Alrighty, we have made it to Starbucks. Let's see. I see the Z. It's over here. Oh man. Alright, one last look. One last look before it goes away. There she is in all of her glory. The classic car plate too, man.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, what's up, man?
How's it going?
Good, good. How are you? How do you feel?
We're going to Iceland, baby.
Yeah, we're going to Iceland because he's selling the car.
Of course.
Heck yeah, man. So we are planning a trip to Iceland, Thomas and I. We're going probably late August, so we'll see what happens there. But yeah, in order to fund it, I guess this is it, man. It's funny.
We're going to put this into NFTs, okay?
Oh.
Right.
Yeah, invest it in NFTs. That's how you make your money back. Don't do that. Don't do it.
No. No. I watch enough influencers to know that you invest everything in an NFT, and then you advertise it, and then you rug pull.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna be the rug pullers. See, no, that's kind of fucked up. You don't just
It never happened.
Okay. But it's funny because his Instagram will forever be on here.
That's forever going to be on there.
In paint. That's painted.
Yeah, no one's gonna touch that.
That's so
you might
crazy.
Have to slap a sticker on top of it, but
Man, alrighty. Well, let's take one last look around. Man, she classic for sure, man. It's gonna blow up.
Oh, it's okay. You can put anything in here. Put LS.
That's
RV.
true. You could. Realistically, there are a lot of options because look at how long this hood is. I mean, that's a lot of room to have some fun activities in there. Woo! Nice.
Alright, now we go to the D&B, or do you want to get some coffee?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright.
Will she start? Woohoo! That turbo! Alright, guess time to start on my piece of shit again. I've been here for less than 2 seconds and we're already leaving. She looks so good. Wait, where are we going? DMV is right here? Ain't no way, bro. I think he's gone the wrong way. We could have turned out of there. Hard parked, bro. Hard fucking parked. That's just hard. That's just fire, dude. Look at these. Some JDM classics, bro. Some JDM classics. That's fire. I need to wash my car. Maybe I'll do that today, guys. Yeah, there's so much pollen right now. I mean, everybody's in allergy season, and holy, dude, look at all of that pollen on my trunk. No, it's not.
Oh, is that supposed to be like rust?
It's supposed to be like this.
Why is it orange?
Because of the heat.
Oh, that's kind of cool, actually.
It is kind of cool. I like it too because it started going over time. It was like almost silver before. Alrighty. He loves it. Loves the car.
It's gonna make super noises. Okay.
Stutters.
Yeah.
Flutters.
So be in second. Go over there. Get up to like 3,000 RPMs and let off. Just let you feel it load and then let off. It'll go. Yeah. All right.
Alrighty, guys. Well, they went into the DMV over there to just get it registered and everything. Yep, car is basically sold. And we're gonna take the Evo home and get some breakfast on the way, you know? But yeah, dang, sad days. But you you grow out of a project and then you start a new one. So I think it'll be a good move for Thomas. And yeah. Already officially sold. How do you feel?
Sad.
Sad?
Sad, dude.
Yeah, man.
That thing's a fucking beast.
Yes, sir. There he goes. The new owner.
The thing is, he's like, dude, I love the 02 sticker. I'm like, fuck.
That's awesome.
Finally.
Somebody who does, right?
Because it's like a fucking weed thing. It has like the heart, the swishka,
Yeah.
the swashka, whatever it is.
Tsurikawa?
Yeah, it has that on the rear. All right, what is going on, guys? We got Thomas here. We are following the new owner of the Z. Oh damn, he's pulling off.
He's gone.
Now we're playing. We're gonna go get some IHOP. We're gonna treat Alex to some food for, you know, his time. His time is well worth helping me out, give me a ride.
Dude, I would too.
Oh, we are gonna go right.
Yeah. Nice little pull.
Well, apparently he really liked the 02 stickers and like the anime stuff, so he's not a purist. Any old man would be like, get the shit off of here.
Pretty much.
And maybe next time.
Get some IHOP in the system.
That's right. Gotta treat Alex to, you know, that
Hey, appreciate it. Thank
Hey,
you.
there
Ooh, what did it get? What did it get? This is tough. Always got to get the IHOP, the hot chocolate. This shit's so fire, and they give you so much whipped cream on top too. Woo!
I'm loving it.
This is not McDonald's, my friend. Oh yeah, dude. What'd you get? The sampler?
Sampler.
Sampler.
Yeah.
Gotta have that
Everything.
chicken fajita omelet, man. Boys are back in town.
there it is.
Dog cam. Ruben's here. Tony's here. We at the shop. I'm laying on this, on the crawler, the creeper crawler. Very, very comfortable down here.
You see it? This?
Oh no. Oh god.
What? You were just what?
You just...
What?
I was just kidding. I was just kidding.
You were just what?
I was just kidding.
Oh no! Get that sea going, bro.
I can't, bro. He's gonna shoot me.
Just go, just go. Start going so he can't shoot you. Oh my god. Say that again.
This is what it feels like being static.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe on your coils.
Yeah. I look good though.
Rolling. Gangster shit.
Get that ricochet?
Oh!
Ow! Ow! Okay, that hurts. That hurts so bad. Ow! Fuck! That fucking hurts.
Dude, I'm not even doing it.
It's gonna turn fucking.
What the fuck? What? Oh yeah, up on the curb. Oh yeah, hard parked. Jesus Christ. Yo, what is this man's doing? Oh yeah, gotta love that. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, you get him in the eye again? Damn.